Look at this magnificent statue. A lot of the people clear out of the pool. So the beach. So this is the cool scuba water center. The beach with the white sand. White sand. And I'm a boat. People bird. No, me try it if you love to it. Alright guys, so due to the weather condition, no activities at the moment. Let's try again. I'm not perfectly. We can just admire the waves. For those people who talk about, oh, they want to try this place and try that place, I have no problems. I'm in the Golden Club, so you know, more benefits and all of that. So I'm good with my lovely Bahia Principe Grand. Definitely want to try out the luxury side, so we'll see how that is for our next visit. Yep, because why not reap the benefits of the Golden Club?
Up to us, really. We'll leave the all of them.
So the water park. Guys, one thing about this property, it's always well groomed. Daily. You have still one right there. Daily they do the little clippings and they mow the lawn or something. Always just clean and pretty. I love that. Look at this view, guys. Look at this freaking view. You want to come to a resort that has so many facilities, amenities and such. All inclusive is a really good start. I mean, if you want to go to another resort that's not all inclusive, again, get certain benefits and so on, that's great. But all inclusive, it's worth it, my friend. We don't miss out on anything. Alright guys, so I'm heading to dinner now. Just want to show you the fit. Baby, show my fit. Baby, show my fit. Let's show my clothes. So this is the fit, guys. Couldn't bother with no extra food. No one come first. No extra shoes business.
This so far.
Guys, this is the view at night. Mostly little lantern, and the pool is usually lit. But we're heading to dinner. Arcadia is open tonight, so light the way. Heading to dinner soon, so look out for that. I'm not sure. And then alright guys, so we're gonna chillax with Bay and see you on the next clip. Watch yourself. Really hard to ask. Ocean boats. At the luxury right here. The pool is absolutely magnificent. I love the lighting. I love the lighting on the pool and all the chairs. Absolutely magnifique.
I know what you like.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Girl, girl, girl. All night long, all night. Me and my boo always enjoying myself. Alright, good morning guys. So off to breakfast right now. I have on my beautiful tea that my boo bought for me yesterday. I don't know if you can see it. It says Jamaica One Love establishment 1962, as we know, Jamaica. Alright, so heading to breakfast. Not sure if I'm gonna get to really show you the buffet. It's usually full at this time, but yeah. See you next clip. Alright guys, so this morning after breakfast we're now at the pool and I'm just gonna chill a little bit. Yep. Hey guys, so took the dip this morning, feel nice, so just gonna have a few drinks now and when we're ready we'll just go for lunch. So it's not lunchtime as yet, just have breakfast like a couple, like probably an hour ago. Yep. So get some other pools. Some of those people walking now. I went down to the beach yesterday and stuff, but didn't get to do an activity. Not really feeling it much today. Just took a dip in the pool and I'm just chilling. So, hey guys, I might show lunch today based on occupancy, like how many people are there and stuff like that. So, yeah.
I know what you like.
Alright guys, so coming to have a few drinks after the pool. So we're on the top, we're going to one of the gift shops to get some souvenirs. Alright guys, so I'm in this gift shop and I'm getting a nice tea and some souvenirs to take home. So if you come to Bahia, come to this shop and get you some souvenirs. We have lots of deals. I'm a little vlogger extraordinaire. Alright. Alright, there my friend posing with the tea.
Oh, that big massive place there.
Yeah, you know, like in Christians, there may be different, you know, separations like Roman Catholic, Orthodox, and even in Hindus, Muslims. So you know, it's like the people who did 9/11, you know, the plane crash. You remember that 9/11, W3C. Those were like Muslims. So in Muslim category comes Sunni and Shia, and in India they were all together. But now Muslims wanted a different country, so they demanded Pakistan. So that's how Pakistan went. Only Muslims, no Catholic, no Hindus, no other religion. They don't allow any other.
What? Sunni? Shia.
Who?
They are what? Sunni Muslim?
They both Sunni Shia, and even Sunni Shia they are.
Alright guys, so our second day and I'm in my new tea that I got from the beautiful gift shop. Our friend there, Jay, if you come to Bahia, come to the Bahia village and you can get many discounts from Jay. He's awesome. I don't remember the name of his store, but just come to the Bahia village. Surely you'll see him. This view is absolutely beautiful. A lot of kids here. They're playing in the water park. You can see those awesome people out there in the sea. Second day, and we are just enjoying ourselves. Yep. So I'm here in the bright sun after lunch at 5 G's. So I had some lunch at 5 G's. Pretty neat. It's a restaurant. So you get to have lunch. Right, water. Yeah. Don't get on that roof. A little bit. They have these cool little wash stations that you can wash your body off when you come out of the sea or in the pool. Pool can have some chemical in there that's dry your skin, so I want to take advantage of that. Baby got 2 glasses of wine, so we're going to sip mid-afternoon wine.